Talking to Cody.
Just for one day.
Hi, Cody.
What?
Hi. Hi, Amy.
Tell Amy what you're doing.
I'm talking to Cody.
And who's Cody?
Cody.
You're no fun.
It's stupid.
Is he the guy wearing a pink cowboy hat and
Oh
assless
my
chaps?
Oh my gosh. Okay, so he comes up to me and he's like, I'm taking your hippo. And I was like, no, film this. And he was like, I'm taking your hippo. And I was like, why are you wearing chaps on your butt? And he was like, because I don't like to. And I was like, I don't even like pink. And he was just like, I want your hippo. And I was like, for like an hour, I was just like staring at him. And I was like, where's your butt? Why do I see your butt? Put that away! And he was like, never. Never. You get to see it forever. And I was like, oh my gosh! No!
It's okay. It's okay.
I have a message.
That's amazing.
You're amazing.
No, I'm not.
I
Or
love
your
you.
pictures?
Okay. What about my mom?
What?
What about my mom?
What?
What about my mom?
What?
What
What?
about
What?
my
You get
mom?
I love her.
Oh, she's sitting right here. Do you love her?
Yes.
Do you want to take her into the living room?
I want to give her a hug.
Do you want to play Guitar Hero with her?
Cody.
No.
That's what I had to say to him.
That's gonna mess him up.
Wait.